Today we'll see unboxing of memory card. So I bought this from Amazon, which is around I think 1200, and with the memory card adapter. And this is SanDisk Extreme. So packaging looks good, and we'll see how it is. Let's unbox it, and I will test with the GoPro, and then I will compare with another SanDisk Extreme Pro, which I bought for around 1500. So here is the bill. Yeah, it came with the adapter, SanDisk adapter, which is the same which I got with the Extreme Pro, and this is Extreme. So both are 64 GB, but there is I think 300 price difference, and in reality how it perform we will see. So let's first cut it and then put it. Okay, this is adapter. Oh. Yeah, now it will come out. Yes, so it is U3 A2 class, and it is written like speed up to 160 per Mbps, and writing speed is around 60 Mbps. But in reality this card speed is very slow, so I'll check and we'll see how it is. They write something and they yeah, this is the memory card. So I'll be in my GoPro 9, and we'll see how is the result different from GoPro Extreme Pro, SanDisk Extreme Pro, and we'll compare and we'll see. I'll upload comparison video with test. So please like and subscribe and share.